Click on the link below to get price. The Maven B5 10 by 56mm FL binoculars are a remarkable blend of performance and craftsmanship, making them an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts, birdwatchers, and those who appreciate high-quality optics. With a 10x magnification and a 56mm objective lens, these binoculars excel in brightness and clarity, allowing users to observe distant objects with impressive detail, even in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the Maven B5 is its exceptional optical quality. The fully multi-coated lenses and phase-corrected prisms provide enhanced light transmission and reduce glare, resulting in vibrant colors and sharp images. Users will appreciate the impressive field of view, which allows for easy tracking of moving subjects, whether it's birds in flight or wildlife in their natural habitat. The build quality of the Maven B5 is equally commendable. The robust, yet lightweight, design ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight, making them perfect for long hikes or extended periods of use. The rubber armor not only provides a secure grip but also protects the binoculars from bumps and shocks. Additionally, they are waterproof and fog-proof, allowing for reliable performance in various weather conditions. Comfort is also a key consideration with the Maven B5. The adjustable eye cups accommodate users who wear glasses, while the large, comfortable eyepiece ensures that prolonged viewing sessions remain enjoyable. The focus wheel is smooth and precise, enabling quick adjustments to achieve optimal clarity. Overall, the Maven B5 10 by 56mm FL binoculars are an outstanding choice for anyone seeking premium optical performance and rugged reliability. Whether you're a seasoned birdwatcher or a casual observer, these binoculars will exceed your expectations with their combination of high-quality optics, ergonomic design, and durability. They represent a worthwhile investment for those who demand the best in their outdoor experiences.